What do you build a network for? What did Verizon build their network for? People. Every hole dug, every wire spliced, every tower raised, it's for people. And when people's every day is being challenged, that's when a network stands up and shows what it's made of. Businesses are using Verizon's added capacity to keep them running and connecting with customers in entirely new ways. When government and public health agencies asked for network resources, they were delivered in more than 30 states. And Verizon customers are making an average of over 600 million calls and sending nearly 8 billion texts a day, every day. Our connections make us all stronger. And when you know people are depending on you for those connections, you do whatever it takes.
Legacy networks may not be built to handle the digital reality of today's business landscape. Workloads are moving to the cloud, disparate locations need to perform as one, and networks need to flex to meet growing infrastructure demands. Using yesterday's technology to manage today's business needs may mean spending more time, more resources, and more money to accomplish less. Now there's a better way. Introducing Comcast Business ActiveCore, a software-defined, gig-ready networking platform purpose-built for the digital world. ActiveCore is a network-based, carrier-grade platform that enables businesses to virtualize their network functions and manage growing workloads. How? The ActiveCore platform is just that, a platform, providing dynamic scalability, deep service chaining, and a broad set of virtual network and security functions that work seamlessly together across your distributed enterprise. Its built-in orchestration layer enables businesses to provision multiple network functions at once within the portal, unified through a single pane of glass, resulting in an agile network environment that accelerates IT deployments. And with Comcast Business Broadband and Ethernet dedicated internet, you can get gig speed performance here, well, just about anywhere. Let Comcast Business ActiveCore software define your existing network and pave the way to your digital future. Comcast Business, outmaneuver your legacy network.
We are a 24-year-old company that has about 30 employees, and we do IT services and hardware sales, and we work a lot with public sector, including the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. We like our customers, we care about them. We really want our clients to see us as a go-to because they know we're going to be straight out with them on when there are issues on a project, and we're going to fix them and move on, and they're going to be happy at the end of the project.
Hello, my name is Terrell Martin, and I am the Business One-Stop Shop Director at the Department of Community and Economic Development. In today's session, I will be speaking on making business easier in Pennsylvania. Before we begin, I would like to provide a brief background of myself. I began my Commonwealth career in 2010 with the Pennsylvania Public Utility Commission before moving to management positions at the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation and Office of Administration, Office of Information Technology. I am currently serving as the Pennsylvania Business One-Stop Shop Director at DCED. Today, we will explore more about the Pennsylvania Business One-Stop Shop initiative. Like many states within our country, Pennsylvania is facing continued economic pressure to reduce the state budget, while citizen service consumption demands increase. These challenging circumstances contributed to the need of Pennsylvania to adapt and explore new ways of conducting business, embracing new ideas, and creating innovative methods to provide services. Citizens face challenges that hinder, prolong, and in some situations, discourage them from opening a business in Pennsylvania. The disparate Commonwealth websites and plethora of known and unknown forms and processes are intimidating to the average new business owner or individual considering starting a business in Pennsylvania. Data is not shared across agency systems. Therefore, citizens are faced with repetitive re-entry of data. Confusion is experienced with inconsistent terminology around permits and licensing across agencies. Technology enhancements would permit citizens to approach financial obligations, deadlines, and the submission of required forms in an efficient, user-friendly manner, thus encouraging new business opportunities and growth. As part of Governor Tom Wolf's initiative, tapping into the spirit of collaboration across stakeholders and improved productivity, the Pennsylvania Business One-Stop Shop was launched at the Department of Community and Economic Development, or known as DCED, in 2018. The Pennsylvania Business One-Stop Shop role is to serve as the sole source to guide entrepreneurs and small to medium-sized businesses through all stages of development, from planning and startup to operation and expansion. The main objectives of this initiative are improve service to Commonwealth customers, increase government efficiency and/or reduce processing times, generate cost savings or new revenue from collections, fees, or recoveries, engage citizens, improve employee involvement in transformational activities, and increase collaboration between agencies. Phase 1 of the Pennsylvania Business One-Stop Shop was implemented on February 6, 2018. Key deliverables for this phase included the Pennsylvania Business One-Stop Shop website and the creation of a dedicated 1-800 telephone number, which permits future and current business owners a single source to contact the Department of Community and Economic Development, the Department of Labor and Industry, Department of Revenue, and Department of State for business inquiries. This next slide shows the Pennsylvania Business One-Stop Shop landing page. The Pennsylvania Business One-Stop Shop can be found at business.pa.gov and includes resources for planning a business, registration and permitting, hiring employees, receiving funding, technical assistance, and more. It is intended to take the guesswork out of many business operations and procedures, and serves as an equalizer for any who want to do business here in Pennsylvania. Before the Pennsylvania Business One-Stop Shop, a small business owner or entrepreneur would be required to seek out information from several different agencies and organizations throughout the planning, startup, and operation processes. The Pennsylvania Business One-Stop Shop website consolidates all of this information into one area. The process for creating the Pennsylvania Business One-Stop Shop was truly an interagency state government collaboration between DCED, Department of State, Department of Labor and Industry, Department of Revenue, and the Office of Administration. To identify the needs of the business community, planning sessions and user testing with a wide variety of internal government and external stakeholders and partners to ensure different perspectives and input were received from communities and businesses across Pennsylvania. For any questions that cannot be answered using the website, questions can be directed to a single phone number that provides one-on-one customer service by phone. The citizen is asked to select one of the below menu options to direct them to the appropriate agency. For general questions related to starting or expanding your business, the citizen can press option 0, which will take them to representatives from DCED. For registering a business and business name, the citizen can press option 1 for Department of State. For using pen file to register a business online, the citizen can press option 2 that will also take them to Department of State. For Pennsylvania business taxes, and employer account registration, the citizen can press option 3, which will take them to Department of Revenue. For information for registered employers regarding unemployment compensation, workers' compensation, or new hire reporting, the citizen can press option 4, which will take them to the Department of Labor and Industry. In addition to the website and the 1-800 number, DCED's Small Business Assistance Network office was renamed in February 2018 to the Business One-Stop Shop office to coincide with the launch of the website and the dedicated toll-free telephone number. The Business One-Stop Shop office is equipped with knowledge, information, and resources for businesses both large and small, serving as the first point of contact for Pennsylvania business development concerns, helps connect and guide businesses through all stages of development, from planning and startup to operating and expanding. Whether a citizen is an inspiring entrepreneur or existing business, our office provides complete customer-focused service. Phase 2 began in February 2019 and concludes later this year in November. The two main objectives are establish an interactive question and answer application, known as the Business Checklist, enhancing the website to provide a customer portal, known as the Hub application, with a single sign-on login, Keystone login, and business profile account management. The interactive question and answer application, known as the Business Checklist, went live in October 2019. The Business Checklist provides small to medium-sized businesses with customized instruction for registration based upon user responses. To successfully implement this application, requirements gathering sessions with representatives from DCED, L&I, Revenue, and State were conducted. The output was the appropriate order a citizen should take to create their business in Pennsylvania, as well as the different scenarios that may present itself based upon the business structure. There are 4 paths that the citizen can take when utilizing the business checklist: starting a new business, out-of-state/foreign business starting in Pennsylvania, expanding/acquiring a business in Pennsylvania, and amending an existing business in Pennsylvania. The expanding and acquiring a business and amending an existing business are paths that will be further built out in Phase 3. For now, instruction and contact information is provided to guide the citizen on how to best proceed. At the end of the citizen responding to questions, they receive the business checklist, as you can see on the screen. Citizens can print, save, or email their completed checklist to the destination they choose. Since the implementation of the business checklist in October of 2019, close to 30,000 citizens have used the application, and it's continued to be used each day, week, and month. The business checklist will continue to become more advanced and robust as we collaborate with other agencies across the Commonwealth that prospective business owners need to contact. The Business Profile Customer Portal, known as the Hub application, is provisioned through a single sign-on, Keystone login, and business profile account management. Once a user logs in and is authenticated by Keystone login, they will be provided with links and buttons on a dashboard, which will pass through the authenticated user to the Department of State's PIN file application seamlessly. The Hub application will go live on Monday, August 31st. Commonwealth employee representatives from DCED, Labor and Industry, Department of Revenue, and Department of State tested the application, as well as external testers, actual business owners, and representatives from the small business development centers in Pennsylvania. Eventually, additional agencies will be onboarded, and users will be able to access them from the dashboard. The long-term goal is to capture data elements, basic business information, that are found on applications with Department of States and Department of Revenue, as well as other agencies. In July 2019, Governor Tom Wolf announced the launch of an initiative that would improve customer service by making it easier for Pennsylvanians to connect with state agencies and services. The overall goal of this initiative is to establish a citizen-first government to be facilitated by the customer service transformation. Business One-Stop Shop is one of the projects that exemplifies the guiding principles of the Customer Service Transformation Initiative. The guiding principles are an online destination, single sign-on, online experience, phone number, digital footprint, and continuous improvement. In regards to the first guiding principle, online destination, the Business One-Stop Shop, as stated earlier, has created the business.pa.gov website, where guidance is provided for prospective new and current businesses. There is also information on business structure, PA-specific information, and as well as all the appropriate resources that are there to assist new and current business owners. The second guiding principle, single sign-on, the Business One-Stop Shop has implemented Keystone Login. There, the user can gain entry into the Hub application. On the front screen, you will see that there is user registration and login, as well as user self-service. So if the user forgets their username or password or needs their account unlocked, they have the ability to do that themselves without speaking to a human. The third guiding principle, online experience, Business One-Stop Shop provides the dashboard homepage, as you can see on the screen. We also provide a checklist shortcut, and that would be for the business checklist, as I spoke about earlier, as well as quick links to other agency systems. Right now, there's PenFile, the PA100, and eTides. As well, there are applications linked with Keystone Login for seamless login. Other agency applications frequently visited by business owners. Future applications will be added as we continue to move through this initiative. We provide an area for the business owner to provide a list of business records, easy access to update their business information, addresses, and contacts. Future planning, we hope to offer up and share business data with other agency systems. Again, as I said earlier, here is a snapshot of the business record with business information. They can create multiple addresses, as well as include additional users that can log in to the system and work on behalf of the business owner. Also, there's the ability to edit their user profile, change account password, security questions, contact information, primary language, and preferred method of communication, whether that is text, email, or call. The fourth guiding principle of the customer service transformation is a phone number. Business One-Stop Shop provides a toll-free phone number. This is posted on websites and included on DCD marketing materials. The fifth guiding principle, digital footprint. Here we show that the business record with basic business information, creating multiple addresses, and creating additional users. Again, the long-term goal is for the user to upload their business information, and in the future, the plan will be to share that information out to additional agencies. One of the things that we learned during phase one of this project is that a lot of the information that is asked for on different applications amongst agencies is redundant, which is causing that repetitive data entry for the user. So the overall goal is to store that information and be that record and that repository, and then to share that information with other agency systems to provide the most up-to-date information, and it reduces the data entry for the citizen. And the last goal of the customer service transformation is continuous improvement. On the Business One-Stop Shop website, there is a Contact Us form with a topic dropdown to capture user inquiries, as well as at the end of the business checklist, there is a customer satisfaction survey. It's very important to myself, as well as the Department of Community and Economic Development, that we continue to capture that employee feedback in order to continue to improve how we do business with the citizen. Phase 3 of the Business One-Stop Shop initiative is scheduled to begin December 2020. Some of the main milestones that we are looking to achieve are enhancing the business checklist, integrating with the Department of State, where the PA 100 and eTides, those are integration with Department of Revenue. It's where the PA 100 and eTides will implement Keystone Login, similar to the Department of State. Attachment uploads. This would allow the user to attach pertinent documents that they can readily assess, as well as status updates, notification of application status. One of the big things that we heard from citizens in the past is that they're not sure where their application stands. Was it reviewed? Is it approved? Is it disapproved? So the goal is to provide more transparency to the business owner and the citizen to let them know the status. As well, streamlining data exchange across the agencies and provide for the retention of all data and forms for every registered customer. In conclusion, 3 takeaways I want to leave you with. Commonwealth agencies must always identify ways to be innovative in order to improve service to its customers. Collaboration amongst agencies allows for greater success. And last, receiving feedback from the end user is very important. For any questions about the Business One-Stop Shop initiative or how to collaborate, please contact me at 717-705-1575, or you can reach me via email at terrellmar@pa.gov. Thank you very much for listening to this session.